Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about the topic root polynomials. Introduction to root polynomials. Root polynomials are a fascinating mathematical concept with deep connections to combinatorics and graphic theory. They model the number of ways a rook can move on a chessboard without capturing other pieces, revealing intricate patterns and relationships. Definition and notation. Definition. The rook polynomial of a chessboard represents the number of ways a rook can be placed on the board without attacking any other pieces. Second is notation. The rook polynomial of an element chessboard is denoted as R of m, n, where m and n represents the number of rows and columns respectively. Third is example. Root polynomial of a 3 into 3 chessboard is R of 3, 3, 1 plus 9x plus 27x square. Root polynomials and combinatorics. Connections to combinatorics. The root polynomials are closely related to various combinational concepts such as permutation, partition, and string numbers. Second is enumeration possibilities. The coefficients of the root polynomials represents the number of ways to place k non-attacking roots on the chessboard. Third is recursive formulas. Root polynomials can be calculated recursively, allowing for efficient computation and pattern recognition. Coming to properties of root polynomials. First is unimodality. Root polynomials are unimodal, meaning the coefficients form a symmetric bell-shaped curve. Second is divisibility. Root polynomials exhibit interesting divisibility properties with connections to other mathematical objects. Third is generating function. The root polynomials can be expressed as a generating function for the number of ways to place non-attacking rooks on a chessboard. Rook polynomial factorization. Factorizing patterns. Rook polynomials can be factorized into a product of linear and quadratic factors, revealing deep mathematical structure. Second is connections to graphs. Factorization of a root polynomial is linked to the properties of underlying chessboard graph. Third is application in algebra. Root polynomial factorization has application in an area such as algebra, invariant theory, and combinational optimization. Fourth is computational challenges. Efficient computation and factorizing root polynomials for large chessboard possesses interesting computational challenges. Coming to applications of root polynomials, there are four applications. First is probability. Root polynomials have applications in probability theory, particularly in calculating the probabilities of various chess related events. Second is statistics. Root polynomials are used in statistical modeling, such as in the analysis of contingency tables and experimental design. Third is optimizing. Root polynomials have connections to optimization problem, including the assignment problem and the n-queens problem. Fourth is physics. Root polynomials have found applications in physics, particularly in the study of mathematical models of physical systems. Coming to computational aspects. First is recursive algorithm. Efficient recursive algorithms have been developed to complete polynomials for larger chessboard. Second is symbolic computation. Computer algebra system can be used to symbolically manipulate and analyze root polynomials. Third is complexity analysis. Researchers have studied that computational complexity of root polynomials, calculation and factorization. Conclusion and further directions. Ongoing, there are three main conclusions. First is ongoing fascination. polynomials continue to captivate mathematicians and researchers due to the rich connections and unexplored potential. Second is further future research. Exciting areas of future research, including further exploration, the properties of Rook polynomials and their application in diverse fields. Third is interdisciplinary opportunities. Rook polynomials offer opportunities for fruitful combinations across disciplines, fostering new insights and discoveries. Thank you for watching.